This is the Oraimo Watch 5 Lite. I'll be using it for the next 7 days, and in that time I'll be testing out every single feature, including those hidden features that are not on the spec sheet and you've probably never heard about before. But first, let's unbox. The Watch 5 Lite comes in a simple packaging with the manual, a charging cable, and the star of the show, the watch itself. It has a nice looking display, and to power it on you just need to press down the side button till the Oraimo animation comes up. I spent some time admiring the design of this watch, as well as checking out the microphone and speaker grills, which we'll be testing later on in this video. But first things first, setup. To set up this watch, you simply need to scan the QR code on the watch screen, and that will take you to your app store so you can download the Oraimo Health application. It's the same process whether you're using an iPhone or Android. Now, since I intend to test out every feature on this smartwatch and bring you accurate results, I made sure I set it up correctly. I even created an Oraimo account just to make sure everything goes smoothly. Now setup is done and we can get into testing. It's day 2 and I'm starting off my day testing out features on the Watch 5 Lite. The first app here is the workout app, then the sport records, there's nothing here, and activity records, nothing here too because I've done nothing yet. But let's change that. Head into the workout app and you can see some pre-installed workouts. It's supposed to have 105 sport modes, and when you click the plus icon you get to see even more workout variations like running, walking, cycling, fitness, outdoors, and many others. But let's go back to fitness and see what we have. So again, there are lots of different workouts even in the fitness section. I'm just going to look for something that is familiar and do that. Okay, I see push-ups, but let's keep going. What is air walker? I'm just going to go back to the one I know, please. Let's do push-ups. Now during the workout, the watch is going to be measuring my heart rate and how many calories I'm burning. And in just under 2 minutes, these are the results. A few more minutes later and we have this. There's also a comprehensive breakdown if you would like to check that out. You can see total calories burned, heart rate. And you can imagine this thing telling me everything I did was mainly warm up.
Emotional damage.
Well, I have to get to work now. If you check the sport records, there's now a record of today's workout. Same thing with the activity records. It has started picking up on my movements and how many calories I burnt during the workout. Under direct sunlight, the display of the Watch 5 Lite is not so bright, even at maximum brightness, but it's not like you can't see anything at all. I've started receiving notifications on this watch, but before we get into that, there is one thing I must do first. Protect the watch. Oraimo doesn't make screen guards for their watches, but since it's the same shape as the Apple Watch, I just got the 49mm Apple Watch Ultra screen guard and I'm going to try it out. It doesn't cover the screen fully, but it covers enough to make sure it's protected, and this is the biggest watch screen guard available, so I'm just going to go with it. It works. The screen is still responsive. Now let's get to notifications. As I mentioned earlier, I've been getting notifications on this watch already, but if you're not seeing that by default, you want to head into your Oraimo Health app and turn on this setting. Notifications for all these apps were turned on by default on my device, but if that's not the same on your phone, you can easily turn on notifications for any app that you want. You can also turn off anyone you don't want. I have WhatsApp Business turned off because I get loads of messages there and the notifications will drain the battery of this watch very quickly. Of all the notifications, I really like the way they optimized for WhatsApp. Not only can you see your WhatsApp messages, you can also see when someone sends you an emoji, a sticker, a photo, when they react to your messages, and even when someone likes your status. If you think all that is cool, next up we have something even better.
Yeah, boy.
Right from this watch, you can activate the voice assistant on your smartphone. What can I do to relax on the weekend? I asked a simple question and I got a very detailed answer.
Weekend is a fantastic opportunity to unwind and recharge. Here are some ideas for how you can relax. For a calm and peaceful weekend, read a good book, lose yourself in a story, or learn something new. meditate or practice mindfulness. Even a few minutes of focused breathing can help calm your mind. Take a relaxing bath.
That was really good advice, but instead I focused on sending out a customer's order.
Wink.
And if you are seeing our videos for the first time, Gadget Mind is not just a tech YouTube channel. We are a Nigerian gadget brand located in Ikeja, Lagos State, focused on delivering premium quality gadgets into your hands. We started this channel to bring you education on gadget matters, and that covers everything from reviews to maintenance tips as well as buying guides, just to make sure you know everything about that device before you go ahead and buy it. Talking about reviews, let's get back to the Watch 5 Lite. One of the major advertised features of this smartwatch is the fact that it supports Bluetooth HD calling, and that means you can make calls directly from the watch. I'm going to be testing it out to see if it's actually good or not. To make a call, you need to make sure this talk switch is turned on. Then you just dial in the number that you want to call. Can you hear me? Is it clear? Awesome, thank you. So that's what it sounds like. Let me know what you think of the audio quality in the comments. But we are not done yet. What if you want to make a call but you don't have the number memorized? You don't know it off head? Well, you can actually save up contacts directly on this smartwatch. You can even set up emergency contacts for emergency situations. And to activate that, you just need to press the side button 3 times. I must say, this is very thoughtful. It's not even the end of day 4 yet, and we've been able to test all of this. Keep watching to see what happens on day 7. We'll get there soon, but if you love listening to music, then this next one is for you. Not only can you play, pause, and skip to the next song right from your watch, you can also decide to play your music directly from your watch. And it actually sounds good. Now, there are several use cases for this, but I found it especially useful in times where I needed to charge my phone but still wanted to listen to my music. And since it could do this, I wondered, can I use it to listen to WhatsApp voice notes too? The answer is yes. Gadget Mind is a Nigerian gadget brand that focuses on 3 major areas: delivering premium quality gadgets into your hands, bringing you education on gadget matters, and being a one-stop shop for everything gadgets. That was fun, but now it's time to play doctor. So I checked my heart rate, ran some more tests, and even tried breathing exercises until I saw this. And immediately what I thought of was how this would make sense for Sunday selfies or group photos. But I need to wake up early tomorrow, so let's set an alarm. I really hope it won't be too loud. It was loud, and after snoozing this alarm 2 times already, I decided to just stand up. Luckily, I got to church in time and even got to use the remote camera. But next up, I'm going to be making some changes on this watch. Let's start with changing the watch face. There are a few options available right here on the watch, but if you want more, just open up the Oraimo Health app and you have up to 100 watch faces you can just download and use. But if you prefer something more your style, something you can customize, or even your picture, you can also do that right here. In fact, I'm going to speed this up and create a custom watch face right now. And voila, we're done. For change number 2, let's change the app view. The default style is this basic grid, but there are several others to choose from, including this classic iWatch style. Now, the idea behind this video was simple. Buy the watch, use it for a few days, test out all Oraimo's claims, check for hidden features, share my hands-on experience with you, and do a giveaway. Yeah, stick around. The giveaway is still coming. But before we get to that, have you ever lost track of where you dropped your phone? Or you have friends or siblings that love to play pranks on you? Well, worry no more, because this watch can find your phone for you. And should you misplace the watch, you can also find it just by clicking this in the Oraimo Health app. Super smart. Which is not something I can say for what I'm about to do next. You see, water resistance is one of the things I've been looking forward to testing on this smartwatch. And this is what Oraimo says. Well, good news. We have rain. While others were running for cover, I was strolling and making sure this watch got properly drenched. Yep, properly drenched. Fortunately, it still works. But I am still not done. The watch is quite stylish on its own, but what if you wanted to do something different? Like change the strap, for instance. Could you? Let me answer that for you. Yes, you can. It requires a bit of skill, but you can definitely change the strap. One of the features I enjoyed most on this watch was the health and fitness apps. I'm not saying it's the most accurate, but the fact that you can keep track of your workouts would definitely motivate you and help you stay consistent. Who knows, you can even start a 7-day or 1 month streak. Apart from workouts, there's also this really satisfying alert you get whenever you complete your daily goals. That's calories and step counter. The call feature is clear as advertised, and the battery of this watch would easily last you more than 7 days with minimal usage. Now, as for build quality, this is the standard quality to expect with a budget device. But if you intend to properly enjoy this smartwatch and keep it neat for a long time, I recommend getting yourself a Screenguard, which you can actually get for free with this watch when you order yours from Gadget Mine.
Wink, wink.
Now, I know I said I would do a giveaway after reviewing this watch, but I've grown to enjoy using it, so I'll just keep it for myself and give out a brand new one instead. Details on how to win this for yourself would be in the comments. And while you're there, let me know what you think of the Watch 5 Lite. Which one of the features do you think you would enjoy the most?